Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever and whenever you're watching this video. My name is Peter Akinola and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this short video, I want to quickly show you something very big. The FGN saving bond is out. It's a big news. In the last few days, I've been talking especially to people with low risk appetite, people that they don't have huge risk appetite and yet they still want to make money investing. Like I've always emphasized that everyone must invest. No one should leave any money idle in the bank account. So the FGN saving bond is out and I've spoken enough about this saving bond. It's an opportunity to save your money and interest on it and then still earn passive income while while doing everything you are already doing. So in this video, let me just jump right into it and show you step by step on how to subscribe, what you need to do and everything. But before I get into all of that, this bond comes out every month. In fact, the one for January 2025 was delayed because naturally it comes in at the first week of every month. So let's get into this. This is a very rough video. I'm just doing this so that I can get this all out because it's going to end in the next few days. So I just want to be able to put you through step by step and then so that you can get it done. So let's get started. So the Debt Management Office on behalf of the federal government, offer for subscription is authorized to receive application for the federal government of Nigeria saving bond at the following interest. So we have two options. You have the 2-year tenure and then you have the 3 years tenure. For the 2-year tenure, which is going to be due January 22, 2027, is 7.235% per annum. And the 3-year tenure, which is going to be due January 22nd, 2028, is offering at 18.235% per annum. The opening date is January 13, which was on Monday, and the closing date is January 17, which is on Friday. So we need to act fast. So, like I said, this thing comes in monthly. So I will do my best to put you through. But if you are not able to grasp everything and you're not able to subscribe for this particular one, don't beat yourself on it. Why? Because just get yourself ready for the first week of February. But do all you can to get yourself subscribed into this. Let me quickly explain how this payment works. For example, if you invest 1 million naira into the 3-year tenure, you are going to earn 182,350 yearly for the next 3 years. And then the payment is going to be divided into 4 because it's going to be paid quarterly. So for example, you invested 1 million, you are going to earn 182,000 yearly, but that 182,000 will not be paid once, it will be paid 4 times in a year. So look at it, coupon payment date, 182,000 divided by 4, that's around 45,000 per month, per quarter. So you are going to get 45,000 in April 22nd, you are going to get 45,000 July 22nd, you are going to get 45,000 October 22nd and January 22nd, and it rolls like that until your tenure has ended and then your money is returned. The good thing about this is you don't have to do anything apart from setting it up. You don't have to start going to anybody's office to say, they've not paid my interest, they've not used that. You don't have to do it. Even your capital will be paid into your account and you really don't have to do anything. And this is backed by the federal government of Nigeria, so it is it is low to no risk at all. So what do I need? So so naturally you're supposed to need a broker, you're supposed to need a CICS account and all of those things that we need to have when investing with government in Nigeria or in any money market in Nigeria. But then to make it very easy for you, just go to the Play Store and download AgriFirst 2.0 app. So they are a very good broker and you don't have to use them. So if you have another broker, you have a broker on ground, reach out to your broker and get this done. But if you don't have, just go and to ease your part, just go and use AgriFirst 2.0 app. I will show you a sample of the app and all of those things. Fill up every information and submit. Search for FGN saving bond and fill the form. Select that 2-3 years. Upload everything they ask you to upload and voila, you are good. Wait, before we continue, have you gotten value from this video so far? So why haven't you subscribed? Now click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I have a lot of videos coming your way this year that will help your finances and help you in your investment journey. Also click on the like button so that YouTube can recommend more videos like this for you. Videos that will help your finances and make you better in your investment journey. Thank you. Now let's continue. So let me quickly show you what that looks like. So this is how the AfriInvest app. This is the logo. So just download it and I get to work. So let's quickly look at this. So FGN CV bond January form. You select accept terms. You select individual accounts. So this is the form. So you download this form, the subscription form. Yes, you download this form. Have it downloaded. So I will add this link, the link to this it will be on the description of this video. Center Security Clearing System number. This is the CSCS account I was talking about. Clearinghouse number. So once you have an account with AfriInvest, they are the one to create these two accounts for you, so you don't have to worry yourself opening a brokerage account here to get CSS account within this and that. You download this and then fill up everything you need to fill. So you continue. You put in your name. Let me quickly put my name. So email address. So you just fill up everything you need to fill and then you are good to go. So this is the form. This is how the form looks like. So at the point where it is asking for CSS account, you just leave it blank because they are going to provide that for you, and then you are good. So it is very easy and straightforward to do. Just start from the link I'm going to send to you after you have downloaded and register on the AfriInvest app. And if you have your broker already, please, you don't have to register with another broker. Just go ahead and reach out to your broker and do this. So let's look at this. In the last few days, I've spoken about this interest calculator. So if you had invested, 10 million naira, this are the, but let me go live on the calculator. So this is the FGN bond calculator that I made, that we've been using for the team. So everyone that has been my paid student have access to this live. So if you invest 1 million naira and they said the interest is what? 18.235%, right? So this is what you earn yearly. This is what you will earn quarterly. And at the end of the 3 years, this is what you will earn. Is as good as, you've done 50% of your money in 3 years. And then you did not even compound. Compounding means that instead of collecting your interest, you keep reinvesting it. Every month they pay it. If you compound, you are going to make much more money. So that's the simplest one. The one that's with this calculator, you can schedule your investment such that you have passive income coming in monthly. So what that literally means is that you invested an amount in January, you invested in February, you invested in March. So let's change the interest to 18.235%. So you can see if you are able to subscribe to this particular one, which is January, you are going to earn 45,580 something if you are invested 1 million actually. So if you are investing anything lower and higher, just put the figure here to calculate everything for you. So you would get for 5,000 in April, get for 5,000 in July, get for 5,000 in October, and get for 5,000 in January next year. And it goes like that until the end of your tenure. So if you invest in February, so you start earning in May. So let's change this to, so if you invested in February, you will earn in May, you will earn in August, you will earn in November, you will earn in February next year. If you invested in March, you will earn in June, September, December, March. There are several other opportunities that you can invest into, especially if you have some level of risk appetite. But this is for everyone, either you have risk appetite or not, but this is all inclusive. So do everything I've said. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. I will do my best to answer every question to the best of my ability. But by all means, make sure you don't leave any idle money this year in the bank account. I am here to press your neck to make sure that you are able to make your money work harder than you currently work this 2025. And if you would like me to hold your hand and walk you through these investment opportunities step by step and many other ones that we have around, factoring your risk appetite, you might want to join my step-by-step investment class that is happening this weekend, and it is just for 5,000 naira. You can see it is very cheap, just 5,000 naira. The details is in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.